when Qiyyamah will happen. The Prophet ﷺ said, Qiyyamah will not happen until you see its 10 signs. Number 1, he said, the dukhan. The dukhan is a dust, smoke, smog, the dukhan. Number 2, the dajjal. Number 3, the dabba. And the dabba is the beast. And he's mentioned in the Quran. Number 4, the rising of the sun from the west. So the sun rises in the east, sets in the west. One day it will rise from the west. Number 5, Nuzulu Isa ibn Maryam, the coming down of Isa ibn Maryam. Number 6, Ya'juj and Ma'juj, and the coming of Ya'juj and Ma'juj. Number 7, 8, and 9, 3 zalazil, 3 earthquakes that will shake the world. There's going to be major. This isn't a regional earthquake. These are earthquakes that essentially the world will know it is an earthquake. 3 zalazil that will shake the world. In one hadith, each next one will be bigger than the first one. So it's going to be 3 consecutive earthquakes that are, the whole world will know that there is an earthquake taking place. And then he said, وَآخِرُهُنَّ, the last of these signs, number 10, the last of these